So all we have to do is go to Google News right here, get an article, take and copy our link right here, go ahead and paste it on this site right here, and we can expect $2,000 commissions coming in every single day like clockwork. What's going on? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 very simple, totally different methods you can use to make money just with Google News articles and copy and pasting within a few minutes per day. Now, one of the last methods I'm going to share towards the end of the video will even allow you to generate up to $2,000 or more per day, even if you don't have a website, a following, or any experience online. Now, on the last video, I actually gave away the chance to win 3-night stay in a luxurious hotel to one lucky winner. Now, the winner from the last video is Annette Cabral. If this is you, please email me at 𝐏𝐸T'sVacationGiveaways@gmail.com so I can verify and give you your prize. Now, to enter this video's contest, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment freedom below where I announce the winner on the next video. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the very first step. Okay, so the very first step is we want to go over to Google and we want to type in Google News and go ahead and search that. Now, that's going to list news.google.com at the very top. You just want to click that first link and that's going to take you to Google News. Now, if you don't know what Google News is, basically it's a website that will give you up-to-date news articles on things that are trending right now, things that are popular. You can see on the side, they have different categories of news, such as world, business, technology. Okay, so if I click business right here, you can see it's going to list the latest articles in the business category. Now, for this first method to make money, what we're actually going to do is we're going to open up one of them and we're actually going to go to the entertainment category. Okay, now what we want to do is we just want to pick any one of these articles. It really does not matter. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'll open up this article right here. Now, once we do that, what we want to do is we want to actually copy the text on this article. Okay, so if there's any pop-ups, we can go ahead. If there's any videos, we want to skip over that. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go over to another free site, because you can't just take the articles from Google News and use that for these methods. That's plagiarizing, that's taking other people's content, which is not good, okay? So we're gonna do a workaround by going to a site called spinbot.com. What this site does is if you put in text right here and you spin the text, it's gonna rewrite the text using different adjectives, different words to make it our own. And then we can actually just copy and paste these articles as our own to make money in 3 different methods, as I'll share as you keep watching. So let's go ahead. We want to take the first part of the text, copy this, go here, okay, paste that in. Now we just hit enter. We just go through and we literally just want to copy and paste. Now, again, we're avoiding the videos and any images in the article, and we're just getting the text, okay? So this one has quite a bit of text. You can see right there. And there we go. That's it right there. Now what we want to do is we just want to click basic spin. And what it's going to do is it's going to go through and spin the text. Okay, so you can see right here, it says the Suicide Squad director, James Gunn, the self-destruction crew chief, James Gunn. Okay, so some of this, you just want to look over it very quickly. So Suicide Squad, okay, we don't want to rewrite that word because it wouldn't make sense. But for the most part, it's really just gonna, Gunn previously directed, Gunn recently coordinated. So it really just makes it our own. Now, what we want to do now is we want to click here and we want to copy this text. So now we have our own unique article on something that's trending in the news. Now, the first way to make money with these articles is you can actually go over to a site called whatculture.com. Now, maybe you've heard of this site. It's very popular. What this site is, it's all about entertainment and the latest news and things like that. And what this site will actually do is they will pay you, okay, for writing for them. So if you submit articles to the site, you will actually be able to earn money. So you can see right here at the top, it says write for us. Okay, you can actually click that. And what's gonna happen is you can actually write content. Okay, you can basically just use this article and you can start to get paid. So you can see right here, it says, how much do I get paid? While certain content may attract alternative rates, our standard list format articles are typically, this would be about $45 per submission. Okay, so about $45 per article if you get approved. So it says, when will you be paid? Content published in any given month will be paid out at the beginning of the following month. Okay, so you want to submit these articles and then you can actually get paid the following month. So this is a great way to make some extra side income. Okay, this is not going to make you rich by any means, but why not do it with a click of a button? So the way you actually can submit is you can actually put in your email address here and click get started. Okay, it says, how do I sign up? And what happens is you'll actually be notified by a member of What Culture to your email address, and then you can go ahead and share with them the article. And if it gets approved, you can go ahead and make about $45 per article. Okay, very powerful and effective. Now, the next method you can actually use to make money with these articles is going to a site like Fiverr.com. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr.com is, basically it's a site where you can sign up as a provider of gigs. So they have all these different gigs, such as you could get thumbnails created, you could be a spokesperson, you can create illustrations, okay? So you could do a lot of different things to make money on Fiverr, and some people are just crushing it. You can see this girl here being a video spokesperson. Her gig is around $10. She's already done over 1,000, okay? So that's $10,000 or more that she's made just working probably a few minutes a day doing simple videos. But what we're gonna do is we're interested in being article writers. So you can see that, you can make quite a bit of income to be an article writer on here. All you have to do is kind of copy what these other people are doing. You list the gig, and then when someone purchases the gig from you, all you have to do is take the topic of what they want the article written, go to Google News, find an article that is related to the topic they said. You can actually search topics here, and then all you have to do is spin that article and then send it to them on Fiverr. So you're basically collecting the money, and then you're just generating an article and giving it to them. Now, you may have tried to make money on Fiverr in the past. A lot of people think it's competitive, it's difficult to get started. What I would recommend is you lowball the competition when you first start. So rather than trying to charge $50 per article, charge $5. People are going to naturally want to buy from you because you're cheaper. And then as you start to get positive reviews, you can make your price higher and higher, and you can start to make a lot more money, okay? So Fiverr, again, is an incredible way to do it, and I just wanted to share this because a lot of people are making tons of money. Now, the last method is definitely gonna pay you the most, up to $2,000. What we wanna do is we wanna go over to Medium.com. Now, with Medium.com, you can actually submit articles. Now, these do not have to get approved. You can literally just submit an article based on any topic whatsoever. But for this video, we're gonna use business, okay? Because the product we're gonna promote as an affiliate to make these $2,000 commissions are going to be in the business and home business niche. So what we want to do is click Get Started on Medium. You can sign up with Google. You can sign up with an email. It takes just a few minutes and it's totally free. Now, once you log into your account, you can see other people are posting these articles, and these articles get a lot of views. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to actually go here and we want to click this little icon to write an article. Now, for the title, we can actually just go back to Google News. I can go to the business category right here, and I can go ahead and just find a good business article. Okay, so any of these would really work, but we want to find one. We could even do make money online, since that's kind of the niche as well, just to see if there's any Google News articles. Okay, so yeah, 2 days ago, 15 best websites to make money online, 10 side hustles. Okay, so I can just open up one of these, and what we want to do is we want to look over this. Okay, make sure it's a good article. Okay, so it looks pretty darn good. And then what we can do is we can actually take this title and go back to Medium here, and for the title, paste that in. Now, again, rather than just copying it, I can do, let's say 5 side hustles that can actually make you money. So we're just editing it slightly, okay? Now we want to go back here and we want to just copy, let's say the first 5, because we said, 5, not 10. So I can just copy this right here. I can go to Spinbot, paste that in, basic spin, okay? And now it's gonna make it different. So you can see right here, and I can just go ahead and copy that text, go back to Medium, and I can paste that in like this. So you can see that it's making it our own. And I can go ahead and make this, formatted a little bit better like that. So that's looking pretty darn good. And you can see we're doing this in a matter of minutes, okay? It's literally copy and paste. Now, what you wanna do, I highly recommend you go down to the first link under this video. That's gonna take you to a free training on how to set up an affiliate system that will literally do all the selling and following up for you, so you can generate up to $2,000 commissions. That's exactly how I'm able to make these $2,000 commissions. You can say, hey, Garrett, $2,000, okay, right here. All you have to do is do that. You'll get taken eventually to this page here. You just set up your different income streams. The first income stream paying you $2,000 per sale, and then you just take your affiliate link right here. You can copy that or do this. Copy that link, go back here, and then all we have to do is at the very bottom of the article, put a call to action. Say, these side hustles work well, but if you want my favorite and easiest way to make income online. Go here now, okay? And then we just highlight this part right there. We go to this little paper clip, we paste in our affiliate link right there, okay? And now it's clickable to go to our affiliate link so we can start making these $2,000 commissions. And then you just click publish right there. You can see the preview, publishing to Garrett Berry. Okay, I can add a topic such as make money online and right there, and then just click publish now. And now that story is published. And you can see it's going to show up right there. It's going to start ranking. People are going to get tons of value. And then they're going to read this. They're going to want the easiest way, of course. And when they click there, it's going to take us to our affiliate link, which will ultimately lead us to generating these $2,000 commissions, even while we're sleeping. So there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful strategies in this video, these 3 different methods. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and also comment down freedom. Again, I'm going to be giving away the winner to that 3-night luxurious hotel stay on my next video. Also go down to the link below, access that free training, and set up your system. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.